Are you dealing with a damaged door frame or a jamb that just won't budge? Maybe your door isn't closing properly, or you've noticed cracks and warping that make your home less secure. When it comes to door frame and jamb repair service, you want the job done right, the first time. That's where HighGate comes in. At HighGate, we understand that your doors are more than just entryways. They're essential for your safety, comfort, and peace of mind. Our team is made up of skilled professionals who specialize in diagnosing and repairing all kinds of door frame and jamb issues, no matter how big or small. We use only the highest quality materials and proven techniques to restore your doors to perfect working order. What sets us apart? It's our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. We don't believe in quick fixes or cutting corners. Every repair is handled with care, precision, and attention to detail. We arrive on time, work efficiently, and leave your space clean and secure. And if you have questions, our friendly team is always happy to explain the process and give you tips on how to maintain your doors for years to come. So why settle for less when you can have the best? If you need expert door frame and jamb repair service, don't wait. Contact HighGate today at 212-860-5477. Let us bring strength and security back to your doors.